iaka jing pynbeit port bala clear do ba prestone tinsong sembut menteri rangba kum chairman naga regional committee ka ri-bhoi district jangka Meghalaya bat jangka Assam bala clear do Pijus Hazarika menteri ka sarkar Assam kam shimla ai jing hun satya shakaseng ki samla pule ka Garu Students Union GSU ri-bhoi regional unit Katay kaseng kisamla puli nagaro kalami syakmat haka khatway turik risau ban penpau bakam hun satya ya katay kabenta balatip kumka yashim bat kaya ai give and take policy Henry kalakenno bet baka e kabadai jong ka Meghalaya kan let bet sha Meghalaya claim da kwa ne kam wat tang shi in shiru ka kendau jong ka Assam Bat ya kini ke GSU kalapin ipat ba ya ke jingrinti da kabara plakat bat ki kentin penrem kala dawa ya ki bor bahalor ban pynbeit nyok mardor ya kini ke kenram hak haput da kelinti ke badai kat kum ki kot kisla bat ki map badai hok jong ke jela ki belong ki sakhi ba shai kedar.
Regarding this matter, through on behalf of Garu Student Union, we would like to demand to issue or to resolve this border issue as fast as quickly, because we the local residents starting out here, we are facing very difficulty because this land it belongs to Meghalaya, but the Assam counterpart they are claiming is Assam. So it's very difficult for us also, and the local people also, and they are facing very difficulty in going for the market area also. Like I want to request our government of Meghalaya, Sakhi Sama, to please come and visit the site first, the area which belongs to Meghalaya, so he can see the area, the disputed area between Meghalaya and Assam. It falls under whom category? Because every officers they used to come here, every minister they used to come. Only they don't know the border exactly the border area where is it held. So I request the government of Meghalaya to come forward and do something for the local people to resolve final immediately more, so that our local people can stay freely and not in fear. Like Assam people might come, they're capturing this plot of land, they're encroaching each and every day. So I request even the Assam counterpart also to look into the matter as seriously more. Thank you. Yeah, actually, when the last Saturday, when Deputy CM they came, we didn't have any information they were coming to this disputed area. Then after evening time when we heard the news they came, and we are not satisfied because the Assam counterpart they are claiming all those Meghalaya land into Assam. So we strongly demand and we strongly object. The state it belongs to Meghalaya. We won't give an inch to Meghalaya or to Assam.
Mani jawa ya ko de mani jawa chinga de ar chingi CM konda changmana chinga agana tinga na chingi phagpa nge chingi a chigo na maya himoto na give and take policy na mingjok na ya na on jok na chinga kna mana khasa pai na chingi border na re babo piling kata mai kuli yong kuli bor pothar mayong na re bai na chingna ya khurang ko ga me ni chokpo na on jagen chimongo de re babo jodi na on chomota unik man sa talo na border na re bana phajenga please nangko chingo kamenga ajak mohila ni through ba chinga public ni through ba chingo kampenga nangko request kayo kamenga nari babo chingi border na ya ko sanang ni agana ni
ko Assam ko Meghalaya ko yongkuli de yongkuli de yongkuli Assam ko Meghalaya ko